in where it was hot, plenty hot. By the time we'd finished tossing our stuff, we'd put our own personal brand on part of the Jap Navy and Air Force, and we'd taken a few slugs doing it. So here we were in dry dock getting a patch job. There were workers all over the deck. What they weren't fixing, we were polishing up for our next session with the boys from Tokyo. While all this is going on, word is passed to the Hollywood Victory Committee that a damaged flat top is home for repairs. So up from the film town comes a double load of names that give us a show on the spot. Danny Kaye, Dick Powell, Dale Evans, Yvonne De Carlo, and a flock of others. For most of them, this was their first time on a flat top, and they were like a small-town gang taking their first look at the big city. The commander shows them around, including a gander at our scoreboard that proved that we hadn't been out trolling for barracuda. Then below on the hangar deck, while the flight deck was still crawling with welders, riveters, and repairmen, we got a welcome home show that did more for us than a double dose of vitamins. Here's some samples of what went on. Dick Powell opened the show.
I've got a little medley of some old songs I've done in pictures. I've been doing them for so many years. I see so many fellas down here, really, that look so young, 17 or 18 years old. I know that if you remember these songs, your mother must have carried you to see the show. And I only hope you'll remember them. Boys? Oh, baby, what I couldn't do with plenty of money and you, if they stand together, don't give up the ship. If you have to take a licking, carry on and quit your kicking, don't give up the ship. Over the sea, let's go. We're shoving right off again. It may be Shanghai, farewell and goodbye. Sally and Sue, don't be blue. We've just begun business and plans. We're shoving right off the home, shoving right off the home, shoving right off the home again. Then Powell brought on something you'd dream about, but you couldn't find on a hangar deck once in 10 years. Yvonne De Carlo.
That's all the music I have. I don't know what else I could possibly do for you fellas.
And another one for the personal log, Dale Evans. Oh, man, how that little lady wrapped us up.
I care for IQ, 'cause in the duty that I give him, there'll be darn little brain work to do. As long as it's a man, he'll have a understand.
There were others, lots of them. And finally, Danny Kaye with a session of special numbers that included this.
I have a song that I used to do in a show called Let's Face It a couple of months ago, and it's called Melody in 4F. And in this particular song, it's the story of a selectee from the time he gets his questionnaire and his physical examination and is assigned to a class. Give me an arpeggio. I will sing, hey, young pup, your number's up. Hot-de-doo-doo-doo-doo-lady. Get your doodle-beat for sound, get your doodle-beat for sound, give him going, get your say. Really get your game, the mailman. Get your doodle-beat for sound, give him going, get your say. Really get your game, hello to the place, and him do questionnaire, give him going, get your say. Really get your game, hello to the place, and get your doodle-beat for sound, give him going, get your say. Really get your game, hello to the place, and get your doodle-beat for sound, give him going, get your say. Really get your game, hello to the place, and him do report to doctor, get your doodle-beat for say. Wheel, hiya, doc, I don't the plane saying, get your little bit for someone to give him down, get to say, we got a the fine specimen. Oh no, to get your little bit for say, we didn't go on, get to say, wheel, get your gay flat feet, get your little bit for someone, get the fellow, give it, get to say, wheel, get your gay, got to say, we'll get to get a hold of the plane, daddy boy, give him going, got to say, we'll get to get a hold of the plane, saying, get them, get them, 1A.
Well, we're shipshape again and back on duty, but wherever we go and whatever happens, that victory committee sure gave us something to talk about besides breakfast in bed. Yes, sir.